Hi everyone, welcome to Smoke and Spice by Victoria. On today's video, I'll be cooking achara, Ukazi and tender elephant grass shoot and Ukazi. Those are the elephant grass shoot leaf you are seeing. So I'm picking the grass shoot now. Alright, so I'm picking the quantity I was needing for this soup. Okay, this is the native soup of the Igbo people. So now I'm gathering the ones I have picked so far. Can you see this is the quantity I need so far? And the next thing now is to remove the skin and the dehuling it, right? So I'm dehuling this is it. I'm dehuling the achara now. I need the inner shoot, the inner part of it. That is what I need for this soup. So here it is. After picking it, so this is it. This is my melon for the soup. This melon, this is cow skin. Also, I need also for the molded egusi onion. Here is my ishoburuko stockfish head, my ogiri. This is my pepper, the Ukazi leaf. This is dried fish, right? Dried fish. My seasoning. Look, I've always loved the seasoning. Crayfish, palm oil. All right. My palm oil. I forgot. I didn't remember to show you the thickener, the soup thickener. I'll show you. So I'm pounding the oso now. Okay, I'll add onion to it. I pound them together. This is me cutting in the onion and I pound together. Yes, this is it. So next I'll add my melon. Okay, I add the egusi to the oso. I add the salt. I added pepper. You can use you can use fresh pepper too for this process. So I add just one. Now I wash and add my tender shoot to the cow skin. And the reason is I want it to absorb salt, because add it direct to the soup, it might not get that saltiness I want. So that's why I'm adding it. So now I've turned the egusi and I'll add hot water. The reason for adding hot water to this is to make the egusi harden and also extract water. So as I turn it or pound it more, I'll be adding more hot water and it will be extracting its own oil and this also be hardened up too. So please watch at the end of the video. You will see how it will come out. Okay, now I want to strain my achara. I'll strain it and set it aside. Yeah, I've strained it, so I set it aside. Alright, now I continue to, this is it. It's hardening up. As I pound, I'll be adding more hot water. Little hot water. I don't need to add blood too, so that you don't get it too soft. So as I add little hot water, it will be hardening up and be extracting oil. You can use the oil to fry egg. You can use to eat yam. It's delicious. The oil is tasty. It tastes so nice and has this unique taste. You can use it to eat anything. Okay, I also use to cook the soup too, because I use it to cook. I add it to the soup too, right? So this is it. Now here it is. Now can you see? I'm ready to start molding the rice. This is the native soup of the Igbo people, especially here. They love achara soup. So this is the molded egusi now. Okay, so I also set this aside and I will have to parboil this for 10-15 minutes. The reason why I'll parboil this, here it is, I'm ready to parboil it. The reason why I'm parboiling this melon is to help it cook at least 30%. So when I add it to the soup direct, it will not cook. I don't want the process where I add it to it will not be cooked. So I parboil it for 15 minutes. So I wash my stockfish head with hot water to get some insect out of it. There's some hidden insect. So this is the melon cooking. Now I'll add the stockfish, add my fish, okay, then add the achara and cow skin to it. Alright, I'm adding my achara and the cow skin to it. Then I add water, the quantity needed for this soup. I add the quantity of water needed for this soup. Then salt, pepper, then stir it a little, right, to get all those things infused together. Okay, I will stir it for just little bit stirring to get those things I added fused together. Then I'll cover to cook for another 10 minutes, right? I cover it to cook for another 10 minutes. Please subscribe to my channel and like, comment. So here I cover it to cook for another 10 minutes before I add my oil. Here it is, I'm adding my oil. Add the quantity of oil needed. Be careful when you add the oil because you don't need too much oil for Ukazi so that you don't have over oily Ukazi soup. So I add my crayfish first. Right, I already pounded the wheat with the crayfish, so I added this. Now I'm adding my seasoning. Okay, I will taste the egusi to see how cooked it is. Now it is 60% cooked. This is a good food for me. Okay, I cover it for another 10 minutes to cook. So you start cooking for 10 minutes. Then the next thing I'll add is the soup thickener. I use Achara for this soup. I don't like ofo. Other people prefer ofo. So I wanted to use obo, but obo is not is rare around this place. So I use Achara. Obo would have been the best for me because it has one unique taste it gives to Ukazi. So I use Achara. Now I've added my Achara, the soup thickener. I didn't want to add too much, so I don't want a very thicky Ukazi soup. So I've added this. Now the last thing I add to this soup is the Ukazi leaves. All right. So I've added my Ukazi leaf. You can add any choice protein. Fish, dry fish is preferred. In southeast they use dry fish to cook almost all their food. Almost all their food. They don't use fresh fish. They use dry fish. So add as much as dry fish you can, meat as you want. No, it doesn't select any kind of add as much as protein you want for your Ukazi. The Ukazi is 90% ready. Now we'll leave it. I will have to do this. I stir it. Okay, the consistency is good for me. It's not too thick. It's very good. The aroma is filling. The aroma is filled everywhere. Please, for more videos, subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Now you will see the end product of this Ukazi soup. You can vibe Ukazi with any choice swallow, eba, fufu, semo, but not with amala because it does not go with amala at all. It will not go that smooth if you use amala, but any other swallow, vibe your Ukazi with it. It is a good to go. So here the Ukazi soup is ready. The Achara soup is ready. Wow, this is it. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Until when I see you next video.